really. I'm not even gonna tell y'all that. Anyway, I know some of y'all have been wondering what has been going on. Where have I been? Well, few stories to tell. So a couple months back, I decided I was gonna finally do a video of some editing of just the Porsche, just for the heck of it. And went to open my laptop, turned the laptop on, laptop didn't come on. And I left it alone for another month. And then I decided I was gonna get it fixed. Turns out I just needed a charger, so we got that fixed. Then I went to get my camera ready to start shooting the video. Realized I had lost my stabilizer. So ordered a new stabilizer off Amazon. They lost it twice, finally got it to me. Then I realized my camera had no longer had the SD card. I don't know if it got lost in my laptop or what, but it was gone. So then I had to find another SD card. Today I went and got an SD card, and now I realized I left my camera on last night, and now the battery's dead. So here I am doing this on my phone, because if I don't do this on my phone right now, I won't be back for another year. Because what a lot of y'all guys don't know is that the last video I personally shot and edited was probably like that dyno video of the M3. Maybe that like 85,000 mile view of the M3. So I haven't shot a video in over a year. You've seen me in some videos that D's done, but I personally have not shot a video in over a year. So this is my first time being back on the camera and about to edit this video and put it together for y'all. So if you're wondering where I've been, that is where. Now let's give you an update on what's been going on. It's kind of hard to get the angles right, but so the Cayman's still here, still alive. I'll give y'all an update on that a little later, but suffice it to say, it doesn't get driven much these days because that has been taking up most of my time. So in order to give y'all a little backstory on what that is, what's going on, why it's taking up all my time from what you would think is a dream car, is, let's do a little story. So as a kid growing up, my dad had a 96 Suburban. He had a system in it, he had some motor work done to it, and that was the car, or the truck, SUV, that got me kind of into cars, because that was what I was remembering riding around in as a kid. And fast forward, he ended up getting this one in '03, which meant I was somewhere around 10 years old. He got this one, and I remember taking out a family trips in it, blase, blase. Fast forward to today, he got a new Suburban, or a new Denali, and he was like, hey, I know you missed out on getting the first Suburban I had. Do you want this one? And I was like, heck yeah, I want it. So he gave it to me. I'll try to put up a picture of how it looked when I got it, but it was maintained, of course, but it was chromed out, and it was something you would have done back in like '03, '04. And he just hadn't updated it much because he didn't drive it a lot. He was driving his other cars. It kind of was used for his trailer towing and stuff like that. So long story short, that's what happened. That's why I got this. Now I'm gonna walk y'all around and show y'all what is going on and what I have done so far. So far, like I said, I put up a video, a picture of how it looked, but I pretty much blacked out everything. Of course, Steelers, even though we got cheated by the Saints Sunday, we ain't gonna talk about it. I did the new style front emblem here. This lighting's kind of bad. You can see the rock chips there because it's had a long life. Blacked out the headlights, put in some new fog lights, blacked out all of that. That's gonna actually get wrapped. It's just like that for now because I was too lazy to wrap it at the time, and plasti dip / spray paint was quicker and easier. These are the new style wheels from like the newer GM stuff. Blacked out, look nuts. I dropped it down about 3 inches front and back. I'm gonna zoom out and let y'all see that a little bit. Nitto NT420s. Took the side molding off the sides here. That was something somebody must have hit me when I wasn't aware. Blacked out those. Those are gonna get redone. It's just kind of, again, plasti dip or nightshade was on hand. That's pretty much it as far as the exterior goes. It's been blacked out, lowered. Not really much else to say about that from that front. It's kind of hard to get the right angle I want with this phone because for some reason it zoomed way in. But the interesting stuff about this truck comes in the engine. So anyone that knows me knows I've always kind of liked working on stuff. I like kind of working with my hands, figuring out how to do stuff. I just never did it because, sorry, put my hand all over the camera. The type of cars I was owning, like M3s and Porsches and stuff I was looking at, like AMG stuff, I didn't really want to mess with that until I knew exactly what I was doing. But this was going to be like my project, to where I could kind of learn some things and get my hands on and really learn how to like rebuild an engine and all that stuff. So we got it, we started on it, and she had 292,000 miles when I got her. Went to rebuild it, we took everything apart, got in there, and realized we had a bad cam bearing. So the options were either to take the block, have it machined, wait a couple weeks, get some new cam bearings, blase. Again, couple weeks, the focal point here. In my impatience, I decided, let's just go buy a new engine. So I got a new engine for it. Went to a junkyard, found one for like, I think I spent like 400 bucks on it. Had 130,000 miles on it. Went back and we used my heads and my valves because mine were nicer than the one that came on there. We ended up using my oil pan because that one was cracked. And yeah, so we got it running. We put a cam in it. The cam I use is a Summit Stage 3 cam. I'll try to put up a video of how it sounds. The first video I put up will be open headers. That was when we first got done with it, and it was crazy loud. It was really fun, but it was stupid. Then the second video I put up is basically like open Y pipe. I have a Magna Flow, or no, I always get Magna Flow and Flowmaster mixed up. I don't know why, but I have a Series 50 muffler on the back, and that was too quiet, so that's coming off. But right now I have it open at the Y pipe, and you'll see that in the nighttime video that I'll post. And I love it. It sounds really good, but that's been my project so far. It kind of tells you where I've been, what I've been doing. Like I said, the Porsche's been getting neglected because, I mean, it's become like a backup vehicle almost at this point, because this was my daily, and now it's become a project, and this has kind of become every 3 weeks drive it so the battery doesn't die. Other than that, that's pretty much what's going on. It's an update of where we've been, where I've been, what's going on. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm not gonna do a whole lot. Like I said, it's on my phone. My arm's getting tired holding this phone up. So if you have any questions about anything, I'm gonna do a video updating y'all on the Porsche and what's going on and what I plan on doing with it. Just know it's had some mods and those mods have been undone. Other than that, yeah. We're here. I'm not gonna say we're back. D can say he's back. I'm not back. I'm kind of updating y'all because y'all keep messaging me and asking me what's going on. I didn't want to leave a lot of y'all hanging. A lot of y'all have been rocking with us since day one, so I didn't want to be rude about it. But YouTube, this whole thing ain't for me. All this, I don't know. YouTube is too corny for me. Like, in order to make it, it seems, you got to be a little corny. You got to do all this. Oh my God, my exhaust is so loud. I'm not doing none of that. So I'm not with the whole YouTube vlogging thing. I'm just real with y'all. Though I am building the Suburban and it is going to get a blower and we're trying to aim it for like 900 horses. I may, keep y'all updated on that because that seems like something interesting worth watching. But I just wasn't willing to update when nothing was going on and I had to be some corny cat. Like some videos I went back and deleted because I was like, that was just corny. So, yeah, that's where we've been. That's where I'm at now. If y'all follow the Instagram, like I told you, I put the link in the description. You'll see more of what's going on. That's where I am more often. And yeah, we're going to rock like that. In the meantime, Cal, Noah Drive 229. Y'all boys stay safe out there.